Hi everyone, we're here in Chicago at IMTS 2024 presenting the Pronto 6 from Famar. Standard configuration machine. We have three models. We have the Pronto 5, Pronto 6 and Pronto 8, which are respectively 825-inch spindle nose, an 826 and an 828 spindle nose. The Pronto is a single spindle machine, inverted vertical lathe with a pickup spindle, so automatic loading of the spindle with the part. We have here the machining area where we have the main spindle, which will move out to the pallet conveyor where we will load a roll part, go into the machining area. We'll do all the machining, which can be your standard turning. We can also do drilling, milling, tapping, various applications in the machine. It'll come out and unload the part onto the secondary conveyor here. The parts will buffer onto the table. We can also remove this conveyor and load and unload directly from the pallet conveyor. Looking at the machine, we have the X-axis running left and right. All the delicate components, guideways, linear scales, ball screws are all on top of the machine. So protected from the machining area. We don't have any chips or coolant going on top of the machine, risking damaging or causing inaccuracies in the machine. So it's completely protected. We have a patented cover that protects the bottom side of the machine from the top side where we have these specific components. Between the machining area and the automation area, we have an automatic door that will open during loading and unloading. It will then close when I'm machining, so I don't have any chips going into the automation area. So while I'm machining, it's completely protected. Some options available on the machine. We have live tooling, our own live tool turrets with 10,000 RPMs, 12.5 kilowatts, 19 Newton meters torque. So a very powerful turret, almost like having a small machining center in your lathe. We have the possibility of adding a Y-axis, so offsetting the turret to do off-center milling and drilling. We also have some additional options in terms of automation. The machine comes standard with a FANUC control. We have the FANUC 0 ITF Plus control for this machine, with the option of having also Siemens control. It's a very accessible machine. From the front door here, I can access the machining area to change my tools, change the jaws, change the chuck, and do any maintenance inside the machining area. If we come to the side of the machine here, we have access to the electrical cabinet, hydraulics, lubrication, pneumatics, so extremely accessible, extremely easy to maintain. At the back of the machine, if we just take a walk around, here at the back of the machine, we have the chiller for the electrical cabinet. We have high pressure pumps, the chip extraction, the chip conveyor, and over here we have the pallet conveyor where the operator can load and unload his parts. All the pallet conveyors are made in Famar. We have our own automations division, so everything comes directly out of Famar. This pallet conveyor can hold up to 20 pallets. We do have the possibility of expanding that in case of a larger buffer. Famar products, we don't only make the Pronto machine. The same machine comes in a line that we call the Ergo machine. The Ergo is a single spindle machine, but it's customizable to the customer's needs. So we can customize automation, we can customize what we want to add in the machine. We have various different options from grinding, from gear cutting, from special applications in the machine that can be adapted to what the customer needs to do, what parts he needs to machine, and integrate the processes into the inverted vertical lathe. The same machine also comes in a double spindle version, the tandem. The tandem machine has two spindles to allow to do the machining in two operations, in case I have to do op 10, op 20. But at the same time, if I have higher production and I need two machines, I can have a double spindle machine doing the same part on both sides of the machine. So I have a smaller footprint, smaller consumption, thanks to the fact that we have two spindles and one control to do the control of the machine. So thank you everyone. If you want more information about Famar products, so from inverted vertical lathes, single, double spindle, all the options that we can integrate them to find the solution for your parts, please contact us. My colleagues here in the US Select will give you all the information you need, and we can get in contact and talk. Thank you very much, and see you.